Greetings, fellow traders. Spellman here. It's time for the daily market wrap for Monday, June the 28th, 2021. I hope everybody had a great trading day today. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice. So please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. Good. All right, well, let's check see where the market we left off the market here today. So up 9 points here today. Again, the green wave still continues. Okay, weekly chart here just pushed green, fresh all-time highs here on SPX, and really just incredible stuff right here. There's a couple levels that we were drawing here intraday. So, but cool stuff here. So ultimately, the wave count looks like it's still continuing, right? So we got kind of this 1, 2, 3, 4. This actually looks almost overlappy right here. So we may still be in an ending diagonal type move. It actually is starting to look a little bit more like a channel. But that's okay, right? So bullish channel right there. So we'll see how that goes here if this wave 5 wants to continue to work its way up. Oops. Right, so there we go. So we'll see if that wave 5 continues to work its way up. And then, when it looks like they might take a pullback. Again, SPY, initially today was super duper low volume, and we're heading into kind of a vacation week, but ended up kind of catching up a little bit to Friday's move here. But that's 4 just trading days in a row of just kind of these small doji-ish type candles, right? So we still have to be a little bit cautious going into the week here, into the end of the week, into a holiday weekend, right? So we'll see. We were generally pretty bullish at the open, right? The price action definitely dictated that. We lost the geometric line here this morning. A couple retraces that were shortable, and then they bought the dip right at the bottom of the signal zone right here. You can see they kind of bought it right off of this level right here. Couldn't even get below Friday's value area low. It ended up really just kind of ripping this thing up to fresh all-time highs. So really incredible stuff there. MES, right, the big move on this one, right? We got over the geometric line right here, kind of lost that, but once we broke out through here again, that was the go move on that one. Let's stay with the Qs here today. Again, Qs with some incredible strength here today. Basically turned into a bull flag here into the afternoon and ended up ripping there to the upside. IWM. Again, still generally weak, ended up closing below its 15 or below. XLF, again, with some relative weakness here today, too. Was really kind of hoping they would hold up, but it was all about the B5 today. Like Facebook had their, we'll take a look at Facebook here in a little bit. But Facebook had like a case dropped against them too, and that ended up really kind of helping up the FANG names, right? The big heavy weighted names on the S&P, which helped bring the S&P up, right? So some big moves there. So with the VIX. VIX was generally hanging in there for the majority of the day today. Started to get a little bit perky, and then just kind of put in this topping, sideways head and shoulders pattern right there, and ended up breaking down there into the end of the day. Apple, let's take a look. So Apple, again, huge move at the open today, guys. We talked about this last night. This is one of the ones that was on Paul's bullish radar going in today that we talked about yesterday. Tesla, nice spike at the open right there, and then just kind of chop between our zones here today. Bitcoin, up 2,200 points here today, but kind of an overall choppy day. Let's take a look here. Basically an inside day, upper shadow off the 80 MA and the 200 day. So a little bit of caution there still. SPCE, well, we'll see how it goes. Could be a hanging man right there, but a big move on Friday. We'll see. We had a lot of call activity last week, but we also had some put activity too, so we'll see how it goes going into the rest of the week. BABA with a potential pause day here today, so we'll see if that continues to try to work its way up. Baidu, okay, a little bit of a doji there. Could be a doji sandwich working its way up. NEO, strong move today on NEO today, guys. We profiled this one last night, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 triangle, wave 5 in the works right here on NEO. Very, very cool stuff today and a nice move there. Roblox is one that we profiled recently on the Elliott Wave Show. 1, 2, 3, 4 off the 50-day moving average, and looks like it's working on a wave 5 up. So let's see if that gets any continuation there. Coin, finally, Kathy making a comeback. All the names that she's been buying the dip on consistently had a good day today. Let's see if we can get over its fresh 50-day moving average here for Coin. NVIDIA, fresh all-time highs today. Imagine that. That just broke out again with a huge volume today, increasing volume on that one. AMD is one that we liked at the morning today, and they did give us a nice push at the morning. It was one of our favorite ones going into the morning, so gave us a good move right there, and then just a bunch of chop for the rest of the day. Weak name here going into tomorrow, CVX. Oil names got crushed today, so keep an eye on that one. Big volume increase here below the 50-day moving average. And then finally, Facebook, guys. Again, the news really helped it, right? Big push there on Facebook. Fresh all-time highs on this one. Really incredible stuff there, too. And that helped carry the market, right? So FANG starts with F, right? And that's Facebook. So a big move right there. If you guys want to see the kind of money that came in here at the end of the day, look at that. Big push there on Facebook into the end of the day. So cool stuff there. Anyway, guys, hope you guys found that helpful. We'll see you guys on tonight's free live stream at 7:30. And until then, stay healthy out there. Remember your risk first and stay safe so you can stay in the game. And we'll